Magega yechi skuru ko igora benne e wiki ye nigo bona batenene korwa sector ao anene mono yechi semi amonere yobo chenu bagendere to gutarira skuru ao ero koene kya machiko yo gwetanga nebinyinyi bya COVID-19 ko bwati gwale boikerano.
We are here joining other colleagues who are out in the field to just do an inspection of how the school opening is happening.
Gukwana ase skuru yoboroso ya kar asomo chobosongo nigo muri kyobotambe ase wizara yobochenu Susan Mochache atebona wikera bono niga machiko buna liria yobotumeki which maski amono gwesaba magoko nigo agendere to kobwatigwa kigima.
Being here and visiting the schools, we have observed that there are certain things that will remain a challenge for us. Being able to maintain social distancing, but we want to appreciate the schools. They are doing the very, very best that they can do. But the other good things, the kids are all wearing masks. We've also seen that there is water points where the children can wash their hands. And in this particular school, they're actually in the process of putting a permanent hand washing point so that the hygiene that is required in this time of the pandemic is maintained.
Nonya nabo korengana nabara yaboni gwa serikali etarekerania emya igoro yemya niga babolire bonsi kwerenda magega yeskuru yoko basiri abo boli bane kubwatekana nebinyinyi bya COVID-19.
Some of them didn't come back because their parents were victims of COVID. 4 parents in this school actually lost their lives, and we've been told that out of those, the families of where 2 of the parents passed away have not been able to come back to school. So, we are also coming face to face with the realities of COVID-19. And because the parents passed on, the children are not here, but of course the chiefs will go and look for them and bring them back to school.
Korengana nabateneli koruchi wizara ao nigo bono chiskuru chinyinge chanyorromo chando bokwene kyali chikoliri go keep social distance lenchereye moyo gotanga okwambokera kwebinyinyi bya COVID-19 korwa ase skuru yoboroso ya kar egotoka county ya Kisii Letarian Brian Sagini Isena.